Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Food Adventures. So today we are visiting this restaurant. It's called the Urban Turban.
This restaurant serves authentic North Indian delicacies. So without wasting much time, let's go and check it out.
Nehari, mutton stew in a homemade masala, cooked for approximately 6 to 7 hours. It had a dash of pepper and the aroma of the dish was very pleasing. Slightly salty, but the meat was very soft and delicate. A beautiful combination of flavors to experience. Kameri roti, fresh prepared soft flat bread that complemented every gravy dish so well it was a delight to eat.
Murg Angara. The chicken was well cooked and you would get a tandoori smoky flavor. The tantalizing flavors keeps you engrossed in the dish and the spiciness gives a final bang on impact. Even with a drooling mouth, you just cannot get enough. Butter chicken. Tender chunks of chicken cooked in a smooth and creamy gravy packed with an array of flavors, mild and very sweet to the taste with a hint of butter.
We really loved the authentic North Indian delicacies which were served to us. They were really delicious.
The masalas which they prepared are their own restaurant and they're prepared from scratch, and they also accept party orders for birthdays, small conferences and stuff.
So please do visit this place if you want to try the authentic North Indian delicacies.
And guys, if you like the video, give a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more. Till then, see you on the next video. Peace out.